Sometimes life doesn't shout when it breaks you. It breaks you silently. It breaks you in places no one sees, in moments no one understands, and in battles you fight alone in your heart. But today, as you listen to these words, let your soul breathe again. Because Jesus is closer than the pain, stronger than the storm, and kinder than every voice that ever hurt you. This message is not an accident. It's a reminder from heaven, meant for you. Sometimes life breaks you quietly, not with loud disasters, but with silent disappointments, with prayers that seem unanswered, with nights where you lie awake, trying to make sense of things you never wanted to face, with moments where you smile on the outside but feel empty on the inside. But hear this clearly. Jesus is already working on a miracle you can't see yet. When your heart feels heavy and nothing makes sense, when you're wondering why everything is so difficult, when you feel forgotten, overlooked, or pushed aside, Jesus doesn't wait for the storm to stop. He steps into it with you. He walks into your confusion, your loneliness, your fear, and your heartbreak and whispers, "I won't let this break you. I'm strengthening what life tried to weaken. I'm healing what you're scared to touch. I'm rebuilding what you thought was lost." There are days you feel like your prayers hit the ceiling. Days when you tell yourself, "I should be stronger than this." Days when you feel like you're holding yourself together with nothing but hope and tired hands. But Jesus sees the silent battles. He sees the tears you hide. He sees the moments when you say, "Lord, I don't know how much longer I can carry this." And he answers gently, "You don't have to carry it alone. Give me the weight. Give me the worry. Give me the fear. I am with you, even here. What you thought would destroy you, what you thought was the end, what you thought was too painful to recover from, God will use to elevate you. Not just restore you, he will raise you. Not just heal you, he will strengthen you. Not just comfort you, he will crown you. Every delay is protection. Every closed door is redirection. Every heartbreak is preparation. Every setback is a setup for something greater. Hold on. Breathe. You are closer to your blessing than your breaking. What you're walking through is not your ending. It's the transition into the version of you God has been shaping quietly. God never leaves your side, even when life feels silent, even when heaven feels quiet, even when you feel unworthy, unseen, or unloved. His silence is not absence. It's preparation. Your miracle is already in motion. Before you cry your next tear, God has already arranged your next breakthrough. Before you take your next breath, he has already written the next chapter. Before you whisper your next prayer, he already knows the answer. So don't quit. Don't give up on yourself. Don't think your story is over because of one painful chapter. You are walking towards something beautiful, something promised, something prepared. The blessing that's coming will make you say, "Now I understand why the storm had to be this strong." Because the miracle is even greater. You are not forgotten. You are not overlooked. You are not defeated. You are not alone. Jesus is with you, and he's not finished yet. The lesson is simple yet powerful. Every time life breaks you, God builds you stronger. Every time something is taken away, God is preparing something better. Your pain is not punishment. It's preparation. Your struggle is not the end. It's a doorway. And your tears are never wasted. God counts each one. If this message touched your heart today, let it be a sign that Jesus is speaking to you, strengthening you, and lifting you right now. May God fill your life with peace, restore what was lost, and bless you beyond what you expect. If this blessed you, like, share, and comment below. Back-end index pointing right, Jesus, I trust you even when I don't understand. May this message reach everyone who needs it today. God bless you richly.